a simple vision on which we have continued to work, right? And on which we'll continue to work to maintain our cumulative average growth rate of 79 to 80%. The market is phenomenally big, right? This year we closed March, because of various problems and everything, we closed March on 2,250 crores, which was up from 1,850 crores last year.
Yes.
Right? What we are looking at by 2025, from India alone, we'll do a turnover of 10,000 crores.
Very great, sir. Very great.
Right? Everybody is saying by 2025, the direct selling industry in the country would be worth around about 65,000 crores. So even if we have 8 to 9%, right, market share in that, so we'll be 10,000 crores and above. If in next 5 years, we are looking at growing threefold, so you can imagine your future is absolutely going to be the same.
Very great, sir. Very great.
Right? So that means in next 5 years, your income can jump 3 times or more. And the opportunities are ever expanding. Not only in Vestige, we are adding new products. Right? We are just going to launch MetaMind, which is going to enhance the memory of the children. We are working on a product for prostrate, which is a major problem in men. And we have got a fantastic product, I must say. We are revamping the entire Assure range. We are bringing in the best quality of products. Along with that, in India, we have got VBD at the moment. Vestige Best Deals. We have got 148 stores. Our target is by 2021 end, we should have 1,000 stores. You know, this year, Vestige Best Deals alone did 126 crores, I think so.
Yes, sir. Yes.
By 2021, we are targeting to do 1,000 crores. Right? Now try to realize by 2025, anything your distributor, your teammate wants. They want stationery, they want telephones, they want electronics, they want clothes, they want health insurance, they want to buy car wash, they want to buy anything. They want to buy an aeroplane ticket, they want to go to a theater and take a ticket. And over there, if they eat popcorns, and on everything, if you get PV, right? It is going to be unimaginable the way the business is going to grow. Right? Definitely, we are there in India, we are there in Nepal, we are there in Bangladesh, we are in UAE, we are in Bahrain, we are in Saudi Arabia, we are in Oman. And in April, we would have opened up Thailand, but the lockdown happened. And we had done the soft launch for Thailand.
Yeah, soft launch.
And very, very soon, you know, after the lockdown opens, we are going to open Kuwait, Qatar, Ghana, Nigeria, Cameroon, South Africa, and Philippines. Our target was to be in 20 countries in addition to India by the end of 2020. But I think so we should be there in 15 to 18 countries, right?
Yes, sir.
Target is by 2025, 50 countries, a global turnover of $4 billion. Now, Mr. Rajan, I must have got to, you know, reveal honestly that I continue to keep on thinking of growth.
Great, sir.
We have been talking about 2025, but now we will start talking about 2030. That in 2030, our target is to be in 100 countries and to be amongst the top 5 direct selling companies.
We will be number 1, sir.
God willing.
Yes, sir, 100%.
It will be very challenging. It cannot be achieved only by wishes. To be number 1, we'll have to put in lots and lots of hard work.
Yes.
We'll have to think innovatively. We'll have to do things which nobody has done before. Right? And God willing, definitely we would be there.